Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your account and games with a different Xbox, so you can have a two Xbox setup on your house. So you want to go to your main account on your main Xbox, and then go to Settings right here, and then go to General, and then go to Personalization. Then you can go on down to where it says My Home Xbox right here, and then you can set your main Xbox to make this my home Xbox right here. And this is when this is your home Xbox, people can play your download games without you sign in. Plus, if you have Xbox Game Pass, your whole household gets to enjoy it on this Xbox console. We recommend this setting is set to the console you use the most. You can have one home Xbox at a time and can switch it up to 5 times a year. So one console is set to home. And then what we could do, we can go to our profile, and we can go to where it says switch, and then we can sign into a different account. All the games that we download on our Xbox from our main account will be playable and usable by our second account now. And then Game Pass will also be extended to that account. So on this Xbox, I'll be playing on my my second account right there. And then on my other account, my other Xbox, I'll be playing it on my Xbox, and I'm not going to set that Xbox as my home console at all. So just my Xbox I'll be using with my shared accounts. So that is how you can do a two Xbox setup. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.